Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I will show you how to simply delete alarms on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone timer. So I'm going to simply click on my phone timer right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on alarm. Then the next thing you need to do is to click and hold down a particular alarm, and this is going to pump up. Then select as many as possible alarm that you want to delete. So I'm going to simply select this one too. So I'm deleting about 2 alarms from this phone. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on this trash bin. And this is going to pump up. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on delete. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply delete an alarm from your Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.